Hey guys, today we'll be showing you about Astra, how to replace the tail. If you need to replace the tail light. So if you need to replace the tail light or the bulbs inside, so what you need to do is just grab a Phillips screwdriver, just like this. And when you go here, you open the door, and there's your Phillips screws right in here. One right there. I don't know if you can see it this way better. And one on the bottom. It's kind of dark, but there's one here. One on the bottom. You have to kind of open the door just like this much. So you can put a screwdriver in there, fill up, and just remove one on top and one on the bottom. So I removed one on the bottom. They look like this, and one on top, bottom top. Once you do that, you just pull on this and that comes out. Once this comes out, and then you get access to all your bulbs. And most of them are just twist and pull. For example, like this one, what you want to do is just, this one you kind of push on it, the grape thing, and then twist it, and that comes out. And then we have to replace it. So to remove this bulb, you have to push it, and then twist it, and then it comes out. See, you have one pin right here and one on top. Make sure you matches which one goes where, because there's one lower and one higher. Same way to put it in is just slide it in, push it, and twist. Once it's locked, it's good. Same thing to the rest of them. Some of them are just gonna be a pull, but that's how you replace this one or that one. But there you go, that's how you do it. And to install it back, you just match up this. The biggest one goes to the biggest one, which would be this one. You just go inside, press it, and then twist. And there you go. And then to put it back, make sure, see how you have these, one on top and one on the bottom grooves. They go inside here, so make sure they go inside first, just like that, top and bottom, and then push it in, and then hold it and put 2 screws in. So I tighten with the Phillips 2 of the screws, one on top, one on the bottom, how I took it off. Make sure, like I said, it was going in on the top and the bottom. And so it's nice and sturdy. Double check, make sure your lights work, turn signal, stops, and lights, and that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.